All right, we've got the 1050 out of the way now. The NVIDIA 1050 card. That is the PCI Express slot where I'm going to be putting the 1660 Super. You can get a better look at the NVMe. Now it has a heatsink on top of it. Sometimes they don't come with one, but the guys I got mine from Outlet PC, it's now called Gadget Mates here in Vegas, sold me this one with a heatsink included, which is really nice of them. So that's ready to go. Doing a quick look over to make sure everything that this 2-fan card is going to cover up looks good. Everything looks like it needs to be attended to. Everything seems to be solid. Because some of these things are going to be harder to spot once the graphics card is in the way. Looks like we're ready to go.